everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, we are in the month of October, so this here is considered my October fall vibe. So for this here vlog is because I have some stuff I want to share, so I was like, okay, let's go ahead and turn the camera on so I can share with my YouTube friends. Purchasing a lot of things, you all. Y'all already know how I do here on this channel. I have a bag that my Sephora friend let me borrow so I can film a video really quick. She let me borrow because when she bought it, I was like, girl, let me bring that home to review. So she's like, I got you. So this thing is so cute. Like, I'm not a Goyard girl. I remember a couple years ago when Goyard reached out to me. I'm trying to click on the link to work with them. And I just had a hard time. So I say that to say I don't know if it was the real thing or not, but everything was legit, like the logo, the website, everything. And I was, girl, I tell you, I was going crazy because I'm like, I cannot open this link because it was saying you needed to have like a PC. And if y'all don't know, I have all MacBooks. So chance to work with Goyard. Like, I have the letter, like I printed out the letterhead that they sent me. I just kept everything because I say that to say, if it was meant to be, it'll come back my way. So this bag, and I didn't even know that they come in this size because the bag that I was looking to review was more so like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Listen to work, I was like, okay, she cute. Like, look how cute this bag is, y'all. This bag the other day, and look, the best part is it comes with a little pouch in here because, like I said, this is not my bag. I just asked her could I borrow the bag to review. So you can use this and wear it by itself, but like I said, I just kept everything on the bag because, you know, it's not mine. Goyard bug, you all. Purchase on their website. I would have to double check. Like, I don't have the ins and out on Goyard. Let me know down below. Like I said, I just saw her bag, I liked it, and I was like, girl, can I review your bag? Because I didn't want to buy it or try and buy the bag and then don't like it. So I was like, girl, let me hold your bag. I have some stuff in here because, like I said, I wore the bag the other day. When I tell you she is a cutie, like, do you see how cute she is? It can fit up here on the shoulder, but I like carrying it like in the crook of my arm or like a handheld bag. So inside I have tissue in here. Like I said, here's the pouch. I have my keys. I have some gum. I have the new Summer Fridays Hot Cocoa Lip Balm. My glasses case, because yesterday when I went out, I didn't wear makeup. So I put on some glasses just to look put together. A pen I took from the courthouse. I get two more, but I forgot, y'all. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer. This here is the salted caramel. My Chanel card case, and she left a piece of gum. She probably left it in there because I'm always asking her for gum. Because I have my own gum, but it's the sugar free, and when I tell you, the flavor go away so fast. So really quick, I'm gonna put everything back in here. And the inside is like all leather. She do have like a cute little horse thing that she had hanging from the bag, but like I said, it's not my bag, so I just told her just to give me the bag, the Goyard bag. I can review it, so I can review the bag. But y'all, when I tell you she is so cute, now I see why everyone loves the Goyard bag, because I've been Goyard bag at my store, not this version of the Goyard, but more so like the Louis Vuitton totes. Like, they've been coming there with real cute colors, you know. And like I said, I have seen Goyard, but it was never like on my radar to purchase or look into until I saw it in person. And I ain't gonna lie, you all, this one is really cute. Like, this size is so cute. Don't have any feet at the bottom. Straps don't bend or fold, they just stay up like this. I just had to get on here and share this here cutie with y'all because I did not know how cute she was. Like, I bag reviews on this here particular bag on my YouTube channel, so I was like, oh, my friend got one, so I was like, let me go ask, can I borrow her bag? So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here and share this really quick bag review with you all. I have this here Goyard bag, or even the totes. Let me know your thoughts. Is it worth investing in one of these here bags? But let me know, is it like worth it, you know? This here bag, I don't really ask people prices. I just look things up myself, but I will probably do my research on this here bag just to see if this is something that I will want to add to my collection, because she cute. If I was to get one, I probably would get like a pop of color. Like, they have so many pretty colors. They have like the yellow, the green, blue. Like, they have a lot of cute colors. I wanted to share that with you all really quick. And while I'm in the process of sharing everything, the reason for this here video is because I have been using some new things, and of course, you know, I wanted to share with y'all stuff that I've been loving and I want y'all to try. So before I start sharing that, I want to share my lip products. A lot of questions on my Instagram, and it's sometimes hard to link products on Instagram when I post it on my reels and on Instagram. So I'm on this here channel, I'm going to share with you all a few of my favorite lip products. Link them down below for you all. Use the most on those particular lip videos. Just start off with the lip liners first. This one here is from Kosas, and this here is in the color Supreme. And this is one of my favorite lip liners that I usually use a lot in my videos. And it do come with a lip brush. My favorite is the Tower 28 Draw Me. This is my absolute favorite, you all. This is the one that I wear all the time, like my go-to. This is what I'm wearing today. This is the Browned Out by Fenty. This is the one I've been using lately as well. Sharpen. I like this a lot too. And another favorite, I'll just link it down below, is by Makeup Forever, is 608 Limitless Brown. My daughter has that, that's why I can't show you. And she also has my Sephora collection Molasses number 17. I go to Holy Grail lip liners. So again, I will link them down below, and then in my next video I'll share my favorite lip products a lot, and I just don't want to like overdo it in this here video, so video will just be the lip liners. So again, make sure you click on that description box. If you don't know, I did film my gratis for the month of September, so we did get the Huda Beauty foundation in our gratis. We got the primer and the foundation. Me personally, I would have rather picked the shade 440. I think it was 440, but I ended up with one shade darker, which was the peanut butter shade. Maybe a shade dark, but this is what I'm wearing, so I will see how it looks on camera, because like I said, if it looks good on camera, I'll make it work, because I got so much foundation in my September gratis, and most of my shades are a shade too dark, and I'm like, some of the stuff I got from gratis, and this is a lot of the stuff from Sephora, and I just have it sitting here. Like the NARS is the only shade that I think I got right, because we had it in store for me to try. This is one shade too dark, but I'm gonna make it work. Too Faced was my shade, so I do like this one. Giorgio Armani was, I think, a shade too light. Brown, I think, was a good shade for me. So I just say that to say, I just have a lot of foundations that are foundations for the month of September, and I just feel like they are a little too dark. So what one of my Sephora friends was telling me was to mix it with like a white foundation or something like that. So I did get some samples of the Haus Labs white foundation just to mix it to lighten it up, because I don't want those foundations to go to waste. Newest products that came out, so I'm like, I don't want to give up on them, because you know, they're good. It's good stuff. Fenty came out with some new butter drops. Oh my gosh, I love Fenty butter drop edition. Butter drops in my closet. When I tell you, I intention to use that, because I knew once I used it all, that was it. Like, it was no more. Like, it was no more. But the other day I went to work and came back and saw that they came out with some new limited edition scents. They came out with like a marshmallow one, lemon, and something else. But I didn't get the set of 3 because I don't like the original. I don't know. I don't like her original scent. It's not a bad scent, but it's just not a scent for me. I say that to say I ended up getting the warm cinnamon And it says shimmer, because I was telling my Sephora friend, I was like, girl, don't be scared of the shimmer, because it's not like shimmer like that. Because she had one that had shimmer in it last year that I bought. And it's not like real shimmery on your body where you going to see yourself glittering or whatever. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, y'all. When I tell you this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, y'all. When I tell you Fenty did that when she came out with these hair body butters. It came with this hair lip. And it came with the lotion. I got this set because it was like $30 something before my discount. I didn't want to spend $50 something on a full size. Now you can purchase the refills, because what I'm going to do, old containers, since now I have this, I'm gonna go ahead and use that up, because one of them is almost empty. Use that up. And then I don't know if you know, her containers are refill. Even though the container it's not like the newer looks, I was just gonna buy the refill, just throw it in the last year containers, because at the end of the day, I don't care what the outside look, long as it got the butter in the inside. Do that instead of just buying like the whole container. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, because my friend, she grabbed the whole container because she didn't have a container from last year. And you know, I told her, don't buy just the refill, buy the one with the container so you can hold the refill. If y'all in a Sephora, please go smell the new Fenty body butters and let me know which one y'all end up liking, because I like them all. Yeah, I'm not really doing anything. I just wanted to turn the camera on and talk to you all, because like I said, I pre-film a lot. Get on here and share that bag really quick. I'll go ahead and end this here vlog, because I don't know, it ain't nothing else to talk about. But if y'all have any video recommendations, let me know down below, you all, because I think I'm running out of video ideas. Down below what you would like to see from me, because like I said, I want to start doing makeup tutorials, so just let me know down below. That being said, if y'all enjoyed this here vlog, y'all know what y'all need to do. I'll give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Bye.